Subscribe this channel and press bell icon to get notification for latest and informative videos before anyone. On construction site, especially where it is required to move or excavate heavy amounts of soil, an excavator is one of the most valuable and heavy construction equipment. It often referred to as diggers, excavators, and with many more different names. Excavators are popular as an earth moving vehicle, but it also performs other different types of jobs like material handling, landscaping, demolition, mining projects, river dredging, and other routine construction work. But nowadays, if you observe on many construction sites without any specific type of job or the capacity, contractor or applicator will use a single type of equipment for a variety of jobs. Due to which performing excavator either in overutilized condition or due to surplus capacity, it functioning uneconomical. In the market, if you see that there are many types of excavator available based on required capacity and its functions. But generally, for any contractor or the applicator, it is important to know exactly what kind of the role the excavator will play on their sites. And that will really help them to do a more efficient job or to rent the right size equipment for what is needed instead of trying to make one piece of the equipment for a variety of the jobs. Hi, I am Chirag and you are welcome to this channel. In this particular video, I will going to cover many more things related to excavator which will help you to understand its need, application, effectiveness and the perfect type for your construction site job. So to strengthen your construction equipment related knowledge, stay tuned with this video up to the end. Let's learn something. If we start with the history of an excavator, way back in 1796, the first machine looked like as an excavator was appeared and it is known as steam shovel. After a few years, it was a game-changer equipment in the industry when developed with a few modifications by William Otis in 1839 and received a patent for the design. Formerly, it was fitted on railway tracks to allow the different type of the mobility. As if we see the actual purpose of construction work of that particular machinery, this machine was used to build the Panama Canal and dig the foundations of various skyscrapers. Looking to its utility, advantages and popularity, it was further updated into 1920 as tracked and the wheeled equipment. In 1931, the last railroad shovel was shipped. Then the Sir W.G. Armstrong and Company was a British business that had developed a hydraulic type system which was used to operate the modern excavator. But as per the data, the first hydraulic shovel was patented by Kilcore Machine Company in Minnesota in 1897. But none of these excavators could rotate full 360 degrees, which is a facility available with the modern excavator right now. Until the 1960, this was the biggest limitation. But as a remarkable invention, a French company, Boclin, invented an excavator with cylinders and hydraulic pump. The TY45 made history as the first fully 360-degree revolving hydraulic excavator. Excavators are updated year by year and they become more advanced and technically sound. Nowadays, new generation models available with better fuel consumption, lower emissions, noise reduction and provide higher power than the earlier models. You can see that it is also equipped with advanced computer systems in the cabins which monitor the excavator's health as well as assess the operating performance as well. Nowadays, it is much easy and safer than earlier steam shovel systems. If you look at to the modern excavators, they have a climate controlled cabs with automatic controls. Advances like zero swing designs make them higher safer for the nearby workers too. Now, as far as the concern with the use and the machine parts, it is very important to know what are the different uses of the excavator and why is it so essential for many heavy jobs. Before that, it is really helpful to look at the components. Although a wide range of machine types and equipment sizes are available, most hydraulic excavators operate on same principle. They use an engine, usually diesel powered, to drive hydraulic pumps that pressurize oil and move drive and dig components. The main difference you can see that is the capacity and the magnitude of the parts. You will definitely find three main components groups in the hydraulic excavators. One is drive system or the undercarriage. The second one is the area that is called hose, and it contains the engine, hydraulic pumps, then the counterbalance and controlling grouping. The third part is the excavating arm or the you can say the business end of the machines. An excavator is truly a system where each component contributes to the machine's overall operation. Generally, excavators are a prime example of the whole being gathered than its parts. No part of a hydraulic excavator is more important than the other. The components work as an excavating team, and without an individual player, the digging game would be lost. Work tool attachments are what really brought excavators into the modern construction world. Where excavators were once limited to earthworks, there are new cross-industry equipments with the different tools that transform your job site's performance. For that, many excavator-friendly attachments are available. Like if you talk about augers, so that turns your excavator into a hole digger. Next one is buckets. That is a versatile trenching and boring buckets are mandatory tools for any excavator. Next you can see that is the compactors that is used for hard pounding base fill and it is known as a compacting attachment. Couplers, with the use of this you can swap the attachments fast and very easily. Then after grapples, it is for provide safety to lifting locks, belts and the lumber. Then the hammers are also there. It is used to breaking rocks and for the other hard jobs. Then multi-processors. It is utilized in the forest operations. After that, racks is also an important part that is used to clean a brush site in very simple way. Rippers is also a part and that is for the pavement work. Thumbs, that is essential tool for demolition, land clearing and all picking operations. There are other attachments available as work tools for your excavators. The use you have in mind for your attachment and the type of excavator you are operating determines what tool you will source. The main use of the excavator are in many type of construction utilities like digging trenches, holes and foundations, then the demolition and scrap, quarry and aggregate, waste and recycling, forestry, mining and all types of construction. In addition to digging, excavators are the commonly used for the many projects such as in construction, demolition work, dredging of the rivers, material handling, or you can simply have a heavy lifting in your project as well. With such a wide range of uses, it makes sense that there are different types of excavator to help find exactly the right one needed for the job at hand, which provide the power to do this task much more easily and effectively than any other piece of heavy equipment in the market. There are many types of excavators available for small jobs like digging and drilling functions and large excavators for the heavy duty projects. It is really important to use an excavator for your site with proper consideration of its size and speed, as well as the working conditions such as the amount of space and the soil types. Also, you will go over what is the type of excavator and what work is best suited for it. In general, most common excavator types are dragline excavators, then the crawlers, suction excavators, skid steer, and long reach excavators. Choosing the right excavator for the job is also a most important task for any type of contractor or the applicator. Here I just want to share few tips that can really help you a lot for utility planning of an excavator on your construction site. The best way to find the right excavator for a project is to plan. Knowing exactly what kind of the role excavator will play on site will help to determine what kind of the excavator is needed. It is more efficient for a job to rent the right size equipment for what is needed instead of trying to make it one piece fit for a variety of jobs. So you have to choose the right equipment as well as the right tool for your particular job. That is the overall tip and the planning that you required on your particular site. So dear friends, this is all about an excavator, a heavy earth moving construction equipment. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding this, please feel free to use the comment box and share your thoughts with us. And if you like this video, press thumbs up button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's meet with another video with new topic, fresh knowledge. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay safe.